friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make thyme garlic baby potato roast. This is a very healthy and tasty side dish. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat sufficient amount of water in a pan. When the water comes to a boil, add 200 grams of baby potatoes cut into halves. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let this boil for 10 minutes in medium flame. Now you can see it's nicely boiling. Continue to cook in medium flame until the baby potatoes are well done. Now after 10 minutes the baby potatoes are well done, so remove from the water and keep this ready. Heat another pan and to this add a tablespoon of unsalted butter. If you're going with salted butter, you'll have to adjust the salt later. Allow it to melt a little. Then to this add a tablespoon of olive oil. When the butter is completely melted, add 5 cloves of garlic very finely chopped. Saute well until the garlic is well roasted. Then go ahead and add the cooked baby potatoes. Fry in medium flame for 5 minutes. Now the baby potatoes are well done, so go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Mix it well for another 2 minutes in medium flame. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now a delicious and healthy thyme garlic baby potato roast is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family. And very easy, delicious and a healthy dish. So do try this thyme garlic baby potato roast recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.